I'm cutting, yeah, second cauliflower that I had for my soup. There's enough room now. Everything else is boiled in there, and I want a nice big full pot. Don't want to freeze the cauliflower because it's going to go yellow. But I want a nice thick soup, and this is kind of very liquidy because of the onions and stuff. So, you know, potatoes would beef it up, right? I've got one potato chopped in there. That's it. This is a mock, not loaded potato soup. I got the idea from Kimmy's Kitchen more. Hers looked phenomenal. Bacon, and you could totally do that. But if you want to watch calories and you want to go low carb, not keto. It's not keto because it's got potato in it. But if you didn't add the potato, use cauliflower. This could definitely be a mock, you know, full mock soup. This is a mock of a mock. Not even not even close to the original. Anyway, looking good. I taste that broth. Woo! Got almost all my leeks cut up. I guess I did pour it back in there. I pretty much want to eat most of it. What I'm going to do is just push those cauliflower down there. Oh, there we go. Looks divine. I could use more, so I season as I go. You're supposed to always do that. The chefs teach you that, right? I didn't use any oil. And one thing my physician said, use oil in everything you do. Good omega-3 fatty acid, if it's olive oil, or coconut oil, or avocado. So in my own bowl of soup, I will definitely add a teaspoon probably. I want to start off with that. Oh, that's going to be great. Just going to let it cook down. Continue. Look, I've got a bag right here. The leeks. This full of leeks. And I've got more leeks here. So just continuing. It's funny how some people like the soups that I do with recipes that I create. Usually they're a mock of something else because I can't eat that way. But it was destroying my body by eating bad food at night. It was always snack food. So I can have a snack. Just not what I was having. Oh, not there. Over there. Just not what I was having. And I'm okay with that. I'm good with that. Especially when you're going to stand still for this long. Oh my gosh, my back is screaming. But I have a lot of vegetables to work with in the next while. Frozen vegetables too. Hey, frozen vegetables are great. So smooth these over here. And I'll put them in a bag. I've got some celery to chop up. Any little bits, I'll just throw them in the soup. I'll turn it down a bit. Very deep pot. Again, one potato with the skin is in here. I'm the person that if I buy a lot of food, which sometimes I do, I'll get a ton of ginger, like an entire box of ginger, and I will, chop it all up, wash and chop it, and freeze it in bags. I don't care if it takes me 3 hours. My back will be really painful, but ways around that. I'm disabled with my spine and my knees. A lot of people I know out there have spinal issues, or but my back, I'm supposed to be in a wheelchair. Like, I got a scooter, how long ago? 12 years ago? No, yeah, 8, 9, 11 years ago. not used it once. And is it a pride thing? Yeah, I don't know why. If you use the scooter, I'm not calling anybody down. I can't do it. I can't. I have to lose the weight. And I'll use it just in case, you know? So, that's what I'm doing. Look at all this. Oh man. If you don't want to use the whole big thing or make a big leek soup, you don't have to. If you freeze it, you've got an option of breaking some off and using just a little bit in a handful of soup. So you've got onions, garlic, carrots, celery, add a handful of leeks. This will go a long, long, long way. I'm just craving it, that's all. So figure this is a healthier craving. Oh, bruised my hand on that knife. I think that's all I'm going to put in here. Yeah. Okay, I'll come back.